Good morning, this is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and today on Faces of Commerce we have the distinct pleasure of speaking with Chef Gabe with Gabe's Gourmet Personal Chef. Good morning, Gabe.
Good morning. I hope you're doing well.
Yeah, we are. Chef, tell me a little bit about your services. What do you do?
Yeah, so my two main services are meal prep and dinner parties. With the dinner parties, I can handle parties anywhere between 2 and 25 people. With that, I do anniversaries, birthdays, family reunions, anything like that. And then with the meal prep services, I come to your house, I bring all my own equipment, all the groceries, I handle everything for you. And then I cook several meals for you to have throughout the week, and then I package them up really pretty and I put them in the refrigerator.
Oh my goodness, that sounds wonderful because we all love to eat.
Yeah, absolutely.
And eating well.
Yes, and that is the main challenge I have encountered in our area, and honestly in general. The nutritional value of going out to eat is not what it used to be. So that's kind of been one of the main focuses of doing meal prep, is so that you get healthy meals, you get meals that you and your family will enjoy and think are delicious.
And you're sourcing really healthy.
Yeah, absolutely. I get all of my ingredients as much as I can from local farms. I've been to heritage farms around the corner, and the couple up in Wilmington and farmers markets and that kind of thing. So I try to get as local, sustainable, and fresh as possible.
And there is a true difference.
Yes, there's no comparison, truly. Yeah.
So tell me about dinner parties. I mean, it could be romantic.
Yeah, absolutely. So the smallest dinner parties that I've done is for just a couple. It was their anniversary. So then I brought some flowers. I did the nice little table setting with cloth napkins. And then I prepared them a 3-course meal. So yeah. And then I can do up to 25 where we do large buffet style setups and that kind of thing. So yeah.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, definitely. I like to tell people the funnest part about doing this is entering into somebody's kitchen and they're like, what can I do? And I'm like, absolutely nothing. You just sit back, relax, and then I start fidgeting through their cabinets.
And then you clean up.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's one of the main reasons people book me, is because they don't want to clean up after having 25 people ransack their house. So that's one of the main things I do, is I come, I cook, and I absolutely leave it spotless when I leave.
That sounds really quite lovely.
Yeah, absolutely. That's one of the hardest parts about cooking for yourself, is all the cleanup after. Nobody wants to do that. I do.
Tell me how you got into this business. How did you become a chef?
Yeah, so it starts off like a lot of chef stories do. I was cooking in the kitchen with my grandmother, and she really ignited that passion for cooking. And then that was fostered by my mother, who did a lot of home cooking as well, and I was in the kitchen with her. I would help her. I would do grocery shopping with her even. And then from there, I went into high school where they had a culinary program. So I've really been cooking all my life. And then I went to college at Johnson Wales University. And then from there, I've just been bouncing around, working in different kitchens, gaining experience. I've worked in some fine dining places. I've worked in casual restaurants, and I worked my way up to an executive chef in those areas. And then, so after that, getting into the personal chef business, I started in Tennessee, so I've been doing this for about 2 years, and I've been out here for 1.5 years.
And menu-wise, it can range a very large gamut.
Yes, absolutely. All my menus are 100% customizable. So I essentially propose something that I think the client would like based on their nutritional requirements, their allergies, that kind of thing. And then they say approve, or they give me their suggestions on what they would like to eat.
That's great.
Yeah.
How do people get in contact with you?
Yeah, so you can get into contact with me by emailing me at gabesgourmetchef@gmail.com, or you can shoot me a text message on my website, or an inquiry form.
And what's the web address?
The website is www.gabesgourmetchef.com. Gabe's Gourmet Personal Chef Services LLC.com.
Don't forget the LLC, folks, because you'll not get to Gabe, and you want to get to Gabe.
Yeah,
'cause-
or you can just Google personal chef near me and I'll pop up.
There you go. Well, I encourage you all to consider hiring Chef Gabe for your next party, or have him come out and do meal prep, because you won't be sorry. You'll have a week's worth of wonderful meals that'll be nutritious and healthy and taste
Absolutely.
yummy. Chef Gabe, thank you for being on Faces of Commerce today.
Anytime.
And again, the website is
www.gabesgourmetpersonalchefservicesllc.com.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.